Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get the Harry Potter font in Microsoft Word. Let's begin. If you're a fan of Harry Potter and want that magical look in your document, you're going to love this. Step 1. Download the font first. Go to a safe font website like dafont.com. In the search bar, type Harry P. That's the name of the classic Harry Potter font. Click on it, then hit the download button. It'll save as a zip file. Step 2. Install the font. If you're on Windows, right-click the zip file and extract it. Then double-click the .ttf file, that's the font file, and hit install. If you're on Mac, double-click the zip to unzip it. Open the .ttf file, and Fontbook will pop up. Just click Install Font, and you're done. Step 3, use it in Microsoft Word. Now open up Microsoft Word. In the font list, look for Harry P. Type anything, and you'll see it styled, just like the Harry Potter logo. Bonus tip, where you can use it. You can use this font in more than just Word. It works in Pages, Keynote, PowerPoint, and even apps like Photoshop or Canva if you upload it. It's great for birthday invites, posters, or just for fun. And that's it. That's how you get the Harry Potter font on both Windows and Mac. Quick and simple. Thanks for watching.